What if I told you that you can get a custom domain completely free and connect it to your Cloudflare Vercel blogger or even your own website? No credit card, no yearly payments or no hidden charges. Sound too good to be true, right? Well, in this video I'll show you how exactly I got my free domain. Connected it to my Cloudflare, deployed a website in minutes, and also I'll tell you the catch that nobody talks about. Let's get started. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're a student, developer, blogger or someone who wants to launch a website without spending money on a domain, then this video is for you. Today we are using DigiPlat, which allows users to claim their free domain that can be connected to websites, blogs or applications or even your serverless deployments. So in the first step, we'll open the DigiPlat website and create an account using your email address. After the email registration, you will get domain verification requires some GitHub verification. That is not, there will be like a simple KYC process, like nothing but you need to log in with a GitHub account. That's it, nothing else. So I have already did that, so it's not asking for me. For you guys, but it might ask. So you need to log in with a GitHub account. And if I say you one thing, that one interesting thing is that if you can use your referral code, any of your friends referral code during the sign up, you will receive an additional domain slot for you, and even your friend will also get a domain slot. So if you're planning to register multiple domains, that can be quite useful. Then now comes the fun part, choosing the domain. Instead of randomly picking a random name, I used ChatGPT for brainstorming some unique and memorable domain names. So I described my brand and what I'm going to do in that website. So ChatGPT gave me these domain names. So I'm choosing this blackbox quiz.io and I'm connecting it. Now I'm connecting it to my domain to the Cloudflare. So for doing that, before connecting my domain to the Cloudflare, let me show you the live demo of my website which I've already hosted on the Cloudflare. This is my website that I have already hosted on the Cloudflare. Now to connect your domain to the Cloudflare, you need to have the account in the Cloudflare, right? So for that you can use a Google account or even your email address and choose the free plan from there and add your domain to the Cloudflare. When you add your domain to your Cloudflare account, it will give you the name server. That name server you should take and paste it in the DigiPlat platform. After that, after 1 to 20 minutes, your domain will be connected to the Cloudflare account. After that, what you should do is you need to add a worker to your domain, so that you will come to know whether your domain is online or not. For that, you need to open Cloudflare and in that workers and routes, open that and create a new worker there. Here I'm creating a simple hello world worker file. So after adding my worker file, I'll connect my existing domain, that is nothing but the domain which I created now, blackbox.quiz.io. I'll connect this as a custom domain here. After 1 to 2 minutes, my domain is connected and you can see that I'm getting hello world here. After connecting your Cloudflare account, I recommend you to add the under attack mode, so that you will come to know whether your website is live or not. If an under attack mode is online, you can come to know that your domain is online. And you can connect your domain also to your blogger or even your Vercel project. Just you need to add the name server in your project. If you need a detailed video on this, I'll show it in the next video. Now let's talk about the advantages. When we go to the pros of this, it's completely free, easy registration process, and it works with almost any platform like Cloudflare, Vercel, Blogger or any other platforms you like. And custom branding for projects, great for student and developers, perfect for testing ideas before buying a premium plan. Also, here the drawback is it's a completely free domain. As I told, it's a free domain and renewal is required for every 120 days. Because of that, you need to renew your domain every 120 days. If you forget to renew your domain, some other person can take your domain and you must remember to renew it. And it's not long term reliable like you're having the premium domain like .in, .com or like that. Some services may treat free TLDS differently, and it's not ideal for serious business branding or critical operations. And the biggest issue is definitely a 120 days renewal requirement. If you forget to renew, you are risk to losing the domain. So set reminder when you register it. Before ending the video, I have something special for you guys. Since I have additional domain registration, I'm going to give away free domain to some subscribers. Here's how to participate. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment below your website, startup or blog or idea you have. Tell me why you are building it and how it can help you. I'll go through the comments and select the most interesting, creative and useful ideas. The winner will receive the free domain to their project. So don't just comment, I want a domain.